Welcome back. Good morning and buenos dias and happy Saturday. Here's a live look at our satellite. As you can see, there's a lot of added cloud coverage within our area. And so you can expect that throughout the entire day. But as of right now, I'm not forecasting that those clouds are going to produce any rain chances. Here's a breakdown before we get into the ABC-7 first alert for tomorrow. So for today, you can expect it to be above average temperatures. 82 El Paso, Las Cruces at 80. Winds will continue starting roughly around 5 o'clock. That's when it's going to become very gusty. Wind gusts up to 30 miles per hour, but it's nothing compared to what's really happening this month and next month. So this month and next month are not only the windiest, but the driest. So 30 miles per hour winds is pretty good. And right now, if you're heading out 58 Las Cruces or 59 Las Cruces, 58 El Paso, eastern counties in your 50s, and Tier C, Silver Cities, all hanging out in your high 40s. Here's the breakdown. If you're going to the Whole Hog fundraiser event that's happening today, it starts at 3 o'clock. We're already going to be in our 80s, so 11, 1, as you can see in our 70s. And then finally at 6 o'clock is when we're going to start to dip down little by little. So as you can see throughout the entire day, it's going to be a pretty warm day, and the forecast highs area wide. We're all a little bit warmer. I know it's the start of spring, but we're already seeing our 80s in Paso. Our eastern counties all hanging out in your 70s, dimming Tier C's in your 70s as well for today. So we are under the ABC-7 first alert. We issued it early on to give you some time to prepare for tomorrow. As of right now, this is what we are forecasting. A Pacific cold front is going to push into the area roughly around the afternoon hours, and that's when we're going to have our peak wind gusts. And we are under a high wind advisory when it comes to our eastern counties, and a high wind warning here in El Paso and Las Cruces. And we are going to see a wind shielding factor for your Monday for the start of your work week. The breakdown for tomorrow at 7 o'clock in our 50s, 12, all finally seeing our 60s. And after that, as you can see, we're not going to get out of our 60s for tomorrow. And for the breakdown, the summary, here it goes. So the wind speed, this is a consistent wind speed. It's from 30 to 40 miles per hour. Peak gust is 60 miles per hour. Wind direction is going to be the westerly wind. So the impact area is going to be central El Paso, northeast, east side, Otero County, Chaparral. And when the time of the peak gust, roughly around 12 o'clock to 2 o'clock is what I'm forecasting right now. And if we do see this, this is potential impacts that we might see. Reduction in visibilities. If you do have allergies or any respiratory issues, try to stay indoors for tomorrow. Possible flying debris and high profile vehicles, please stay away from Trans Mountain, or at least try to avoid it, even the Gap. Here's our future track model brought to you by Mattress Firm. So our high today at 82, gusty conditions starting at 5 o'clock up to now 35 miles per hour. When it comes to Sunday, gust up to 60 miles per hour. That's the ABC-7 first alert, potentially seeing blowing dust and sand throughout the entire day for your Sunday. The start of your work week, wind chill will be a factor. Roughly around the time your kids are waiting for the school bus, I'm forecasting they're going to be freezing temperatures to our low to mid 20s throughout the entire week. We're going to finally gradually warm up to Friday to 77. We'll be right back. Stick around.